Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to add another user account on this laptop. First open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then go to Accounts, then select Other Users, then Add Account next to Add Other User. Now if you want to add another user using their Microsoft account, then just input their email or phone number, next input their password, and this will be enough. But if you want to create an account locally, select I don't have this person sign in information, then proceed with selecting add a user without a Microsoft account, then select a name for a new user, for example user2, then enter password for them, confirm their password, then select security questions in case you forget your password. So you have to select 3 security questions. So for example, what was your first pet's name? And we can say it was Jack. Then what's the name of the city where you were born, and let's say it's Washington. So what was your childhood nickname? Alright, and then click next, and this way you add another user account. Now to switch between accounts, tap on the Start menu, tap on your account icon, and then select, tap on the that icon over here and select another user to switch. If you want to delete another user account, just tap right here and select remove. And keep in mind that you can't remove an account until they are signed out of their account. Confirm, and this way you delete an account. And this is all for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.